What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your skinny boy Randy. How you doing today? What's up, you guys? I miss you so much. Mwah! I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. How you guys doing today? It's a beautiful day here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. And today, I just want to say I love you. Thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere else in the garden universe, but you chose to spend a little time with me, your skinny boy Randy, and I appreciate you for it, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. How you doing today? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. I love having you guys. If you're new to my channel, click the like and subscribe button, you guys. Click a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay, I love you guys. Also, leave a comment, share the video with all your social media, all that good stuff, you guys. I really, really, really do appreciate it. So I'm not going to hold you long. Also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome over there as well. If I can't answer a question here, you better believe me. You can go over there and get your answer. Okay, they're the best Facebook group in the world. You're the best YouTube group in the world. I love you guys so much. We're growing, and I just appreciate you for being here. So today, guess what? We're going to do something different. We're going to plant grapes. Yeah, you guys, you know I'm in a new home. Well, it's been a year, but you know, with gardening, 1 year turnaround with soil conditions and weather and learning your soil environment and what type of soil you're working with, it's really no time. You know, time is flying, you guys. Are you getting ready for winter gardening? Yes, okay, we're gonna be doing some videos on all that good stuff. But thank you so much for being here, you guys. So let's talk about grapes. Today I'm gonna be planting some muscadine grapes, and they require full sun, at least 6 hours a day. So I'm going to put them over there in that corner where it's a corner fence, and they can just vine that way. And I've already talked to my neighbors. They love grapes, so they were like, yes, Skinny Boy Randy, we would love for you to grow some grapes. So you know, always check with your neighbors. If you're going to put anything on the fence that may run over into their yard or run onto their fence, always be courteous, you guys. Okay, I love you guys. So yeah, today I have a plant that I got from a local store here. It was like a Lowe's or something like that, and that's what we're going to be planting today. It's already in a container. You know, grapes have different health benefits, and you know, it's worth a shot. What do you guys think? You think we can do it? I think we can. Okay. So follow me. I'm going to walk you through it right along with me. No shortcuts. None of that. You know how we do it on the Skinny Boy Farms. I like to show you everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and sit this plant over here in this corner I was telling you about. See this corner, you guys? Always look around your yard and find spaces that you can use. And it's just a corner right here. So I'm going to take that corner and I'm going to build up pretty much a raised bed to plant that in. I don't want to put it directly in the ground because I don't know the pH of the soil, and I don't want to take any chances on sending it into shock. But look what I also got today, you guys. Look, a pile of it's not pure manure, but it's manure mixed in with soil and compost and all that good stuff. My wonderful neighbor, you guys. I have the best neighbors in the world, I swear. Oh God, thank you so much for my wonderful neighbors. Knocked on the door, had a load of soil for me. You see how much soil this is, you guys? This is a lot of soil. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but yeah, this is gonna last me all the way through next year. So we're good to go on soil. So yeah. We have a local farmer down the road, and they have tons of dirt. And my neighbor went and got me a load, you guys. So he saved me a ton of money on buying gardening soil. So let's just dive right into this video. I don't want to hold you long. I'm going to get you down here in the ground with me. So first what we're going to do is clear the area off. I'm just going to clean. Can you see me? Just going to clean this little area right here. That's all. It doesn't take much, you guys. We're not going to make it rocket science. Going to loosen the ground up a little bit. Let me get you closer. Okay. Going to loosen it up a little bit. Just to give it a good start. I can feel possible roots down in there. That's why I said I don't want to just stick it straight in the ground like that. So I'm just going to loosen this area up right here, just like that. Then I'm going to take my bricks that my awesome neighbor also gave me. Let's do 2, like that. Then we're just gonna come across like this. Okay? Just gonna build it up. Doesn't have to be pretty, you guys. We don't do pretty, we do productive. Okay. You can always find good use for some bricks. Have I gone up too high? Alright, let me get you back over here. You see what I'm doing? Just building a little homemade raised bed. Just a homemade raised bed out of bricks. Okay. Let's do one more down here. That one's not gonna sit right. No. We need a flat one. Here we go. This one like that. And put that one on top. So now all I'm gonna do is fill this with some soil. I'm back, you guys. I'm gonna put a little bit in there first, just to cover the bottom. Can you see down in there? Just enough to get this covered, like that. Because we're creating our own environment for this grape plant. So now I'm gonna gently get the plant out of its pot. And this just slides right out just like that. Get you up here. How about that? Can y'all see it? Okay. Well, these bricks fit perfectly. You know, they're the perfect size for this plant. I'm just gonna break up the root bulb a little bit, wake her up, just like that. I'm gonna remove. Well, no, I'll leave this. I want to take this off, but I'm gonna leave this support beam on there. And I'm just gonna sit it right there and fill her around with more dirt. Fill her up all the way around, just like that. And like I said, this soil is compost, manure, soil. So it's some good stuff, you guys. And once she settles in, I'll hit her with a little fertilizer. But I want her to be right over here. Okay, so she can grow into this corner. And that's how we're going to do that. And we're going to follow along with this, you guys. I hope you stay tuned. I hope you're being safe, following all the social guidelines and everything. I love you guys. You are absolutely the best. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, I'm out of breath. You know how we do it. We don't edit, because we ain't got no money to be doing no editing. I ain't got no money. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, click like and subscribe. Live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff in it. You're the best.